everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. Today we see the recipe of super cheesy garlic bread, that too without oven. This garlic bread turns out super moist and better than Domino's. If you like this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
For this garlic bread, we'll first activate the yeast. For that, take 1/4 cup warm water. The water should not be very hot. To that, add 1 teaspoon sugar. I said the water should not be hot because if you take very hot water, the yeast might not get activated and might die. Now add half teaspoon yeast. This is active dry yeast. I'm using Angel brand's yeast, but you can use any other brand. Give this a good stir, cover and let this rest for 10 to 15 minutes. So you can see this yeast has nicely bubbled up. If your yeast doesn't bubble up like this, do not use it. Now take 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida. To that add half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon chilli flakes, half teaspoon garlic powder. So this is from my homemade garlic, ginger and onion powders recipe. You can use garlic paste as well. Now add some salt to taste. So these seasonings when added to the dough makes this garlic bread tastier. So give this all a good mix. Now add the yeast mixture. Mix this well. You can use your hand to mix this. We need to keep this in mind that the dough should be sticky. If needed, you need to add a little more water because the more sticky it is, the more good the dough will turn out. The bread will turn out. So you need to keep stretching the dough and keep kneading it for 15 minutes like this. And after 15 minutes, as you keep on kneading it, you will see that it has started to come together. Still, it will be a little sticky. So now add half teaspoon oil. Apply the oil very well to the dough. Cover this and let this rest for 1 hour or 2 hours depending on the temperature at your place. Basically, the dough should be almost tripled in size, so keep it at a warm place. So meanwhile, I'll show you my favorite baking setup. So this is some regular salt. This is regular salt which we use for cooking. You can see the color has changed because I'm reusing it from my other recipes like pizza, cake and all that. Now cover this and you need to preheat this for 15 minutes at medium flame. So you can see the dough has risen very well. Apply a little bit oil to your hand and again you need to knead this for a minute. Still the dough is little sticky, but do not worry, that's going to give you amazing result. Now sprinkle some maida and now we're going to roll the dough. I'm using my rolling pin and my fingers to stretch this dough. So this is the plate I'm going to use. This is a pizza tray, but you can use any other aluminum or iron plate. I'm placing a butter paper so that the base of the garlic bread doesn't burn out while baking. So here I've taken 2 tablespoons butter. To that I've added 1 tablespoon garlic paste and I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons chopped fresh coriander. You can add more if you want to. Apply it very well onto this bread. Now this is pizza cheese. I'm using Go brand's pizza cheese. Go brand's pizza cheese is a combination of mozzarella and cheddar. You can use these 2 cheese as separate cheese also. Now add some oregano, some chili flakes, boiled sweet corn, add as per your taste, some chopped capsicum. You can add any other veggie, the veggies which do not take much time to cook. Now to seal the edges, just like we do in samosa and other Indian snack, apply some water and press it well like this. So again, back to my pizza tray, I'm sprinkling some flour. You can use any other plate also, as I mentioned. Now this is the leftover butter, so I have melted that and now I'm applying it to this garlic bread like this. This is going to give this garlic bread amazing flavor, amazing taste and texture. Now again sprinkle some more oregano and chili flakes. Now this is Peri Peri masala from my Peri Peri masala video. This thing is optional, but if you have it, you can add it. It's going to add more taste to the bread, so I'm sprinkling quite a lot of it onto this bread. Now using a knife, make some cuts. These cuts shouldn't be through the bread, just above it, so that later it becomes easier for you to divide this bread into strips. Now this bread is ready to go into our homemade oven setup. So our homemade oven has been preheating for 15 minutes on medium flame. On the same medium flame, now I'm going to place this garlic bread inside it. Cover it with a lid. Now let this bake at this temperature for 15 minutes. Around 15 minutes, a minute up and down is fine. You can look at the bread and see if it's done. If the bread is smaller than this, it might take less time. And if it's bigger, it might take more time. So you can keep a watch. So this is now ready. If you over bake it, it might become very crispy. So don't do that. We want it soft. Now apply some more butter. This is a trick to keep this bread soft. Now I'll cut this and show you how soft and cheesy from inside this bread has turned out. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how did you like it. Enjoy!